Next, I'm going to discuss about the try and method of this program. So at the first line, I declare the for function having two parameters int x1 and int x2. So next control comes to this point. So at int main. So now that coincide. So at I have taken three integer variable. First is n, next to n1 and p. So hereafter control comes to printf function. So whatever double code that display into the output screen, enter the number, and whatever I'm going to enter, so that received by n. So I'm going to enter n value 5. So I do %d because n is integer type, ampersand n. So whatever I'm going to enter number, so that receive number some particular address, so that I use percent ampersand n. So now control comes to this point in printf function. So this are displayed to the output screen, and whatever I'm going to enter, so this time that received by n1. So I'm going to enter n1 value 3. Now control comes to this point p equal to pom n comma n1. So 5 and n1 value 3. So here this is a function. So that call pom function. Now control comes to this point. So at your num value is 5 and p1 receive 3. So num function, so that receive 5 and p1 function, sorry, p1 that receive 3. So num is 5, p1 is 3. Now control comes to this point. So at if p1 double equal to 0, so p1 value is 3, 3 double equal to 0, that is not true. So that go to this part. Here written num into pom. So num value is 3, sorry, num value is 5 into pom value. So num value is 5 and pi of value 3 minus 1. So the value is 2. So function, same function inside pi is here and this is also here. So function inside the function. So function called recursively. So hereafter control comes to this point. So this time num value is 5 and p1 value is 2. Now hereafter that coincides. So p1 value is 2 now. Check the condition 2 double equal to 0. That is not true. So it not go to this part here. Return num into pom. So num value is 5 into pom 5 or 2 minus 1 1. So hereafter control comes to this point. So at here num value is 5, p1 this time 1. So now that coincides. So at here p1 double equal to 0. So p1 is 1, 1 double equal to 0. So that is not true. So that not go to this part. Return num into pom. So first time 5 and this time first time 5. 5 into this. Next time 5 into this value. This time 5 into pom. 5 into 1. So now control comes to this point. So this time 5 into 5 and this is and one more 5 and now for, so this time 5, that value comes to this point. So num value is 5 and here p1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 the value comes 0. So this value is 125. Now hereafter control comes to this point. So at here 5 and this one p1 value is 0. So 5 0. Now if p1 double equal to 0, 0 double equal to 0, that is true. So that return 1. So here return 1. So function is not called again. Now control back to this point. So at here 125 for 5 into 1, 5 into or 0. So this value is now 1 because if the condition is true, so that return 1. So here 125 into 1, the value come 125. So hereafter control comes to this point, printf function. So this percentage is for n, this percentage is for n1, and this percentage is for p. So the output come 5 per power 2, 3 equal to 125. And hereafter that out from main function. So this is the grand method of this program. So this time I enter n value 5 and n1 value 3. So you should try to enter any number like n value 10 and n1 value 3 and do the same try and method. So you will get definitely you will get the output expected output. So this is the try and method of this program. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week.